Welcome back to another episode of Remezmerized by Science. Today we are going to find out if burning is a chemical reaction. Okay, so I have here some magnesium. This is a metal and it's very flexible. So I'm going to say its hardness is not too terribly hard. We don't really have anything else to compare this to here at my house. So we're just going to say that it's a little bit of a softer metal based on its malleability. I also have a candle and something to light the candle and some little tongs that I'm going to use in place of anything that I might have here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to light the candle. We're going to see what happens with the magnesium. So again, I'm starting with a silver metal that is not as hard as some other metals. It's quite flexible actually. And so I'm going to go ahead and I am going to burn this. Get it in my little clampies, get the candle going. And let's see what happens. It's taking a little bit to catch fire here. As you can see, it's making a really bright light and lots of smoke. Okay, so I want to hurry up and go ahead and drop this in my test tube before I lose all of the little ashes. So I'm going to just drop that little piece into my test tube. Okay. So looking at our substance, you can tell that now it is a whitish, more powdery substance. I'm going to do one more quick little experiment with our piece of magnesium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into a test tube. But first, I have some hydrochloric acid. And oops, I got that on my counter. Not good, not good. Hopefully that doesn't do anything. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to put some hydrochloric acid here in my test tube. Just a little bit more. That should about do it. I'm going to go ahead and cap that so I don't make a mess or get anything ruined. Okay, now I am going to put my piece of magnesium into the test tube and I'm going to put a cap on it. I'm just going to let it kind of simmer for a second. Give it a little bit of time here, a couple seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and light my candle. And so I'm going to hold this over the flame and you'll see that it's starting to bubble. And let's see if we can get it. Try that one more time. Getting the bubble, getting the bubble. It's a little warm. So it was getting a little bit too hot for me to hold over the flame. So I'm kind of holding it with these tongs. What I want to do is get this to be burning. And I want to listen really carefully when I remove this test tube. So I'm going to get a little bit more heated up here, a little bit more of a reaction going. And then you're going to listen really carefully. Oops. And you heard a little snap, a little pop. So I created some gas inside of my test tube with the magnesium and the hydrochloric acid. That's all for this episode of Remezmerized by Science. I'll see you next time.